Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to get TikTok back. So for example, if there is a situation when you deleted your TikTok and you re-downloaded it and you want to recover your information, so get TikTok back, so open TikTok application, and now on the login screen you should select the account that you want to log into, or you can add another account, or if you, for example, don't have an account, you can sign up, but I will use my already existing account. So simply tap on it and then tap continue button. Here you should select your Gmail address that is connected to this account. So this is mine. Tap continue button. Here it's optional thing, but you can choose your interests. For example, it's animals, dance and art. Tap next button. If you want to receive some notifications, you should tap allow, and if not, then do not allow. Tap start watching, and now we see that we have recovered. Okay, so this is the contacts. Select contacts later, and now you see that I have logged into my account, so I got my TikTok back. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.